Have you heard this before? Your professor tells you you need to use scholarly sources for your assignment. But what does that mean? Let's first talk about what isn't a scholarly source. These are things you're probably already familiar with: newspapers and magazines, and blog posts, and most websites. These types of popular sources are geared towards a general audience and are usually written by journalists, or in the case of blogs and websites, anyone. In contrast, a scholarly source is something written by an expert in a field of study. Think professors, doctors, lawyers, and researchers. These authors are writing for a knowledgeable audience, other researchers in their field, and not the general public. Scholarly sources generally involve some sort of original research, like an experiment, case study, or analysis. The language used in a scholarly source is very advanced and includes terminology from the discipline of study. In addition, unlike a popular source, a scholarly source will always cite its sources. Look for a work cited or references list at the end, or footnotes at the bottom of each page. Sometimes scholarly sources are often referred to by your professors by other terms, such as peer-reviewed, academic, or refereed, but they all basically mean the same thing. One major scholarly source is a peer-reviewed journal article. Peer review is a term you will hear a lot in college. It means that before an article is published, a panel of experts examine the article to assess its quality of scholarship and relevance to the field. To locate peer-reviewed journal articles from the Coffin Library website, use Search at UW, the library's all-in-one search tool. Or you can click on the Search by Subject link and select a library database. Most databases will have an advanced search option to limit your results to peer-reviewed or scholarly. Many of the peer-reviewed journal articles you find will be available to you online for free from Coffin Library's databases. Besides peer-reviewed journal articles, another type of scholarly source is books. But be careful, not all books are scholarly. Again, you want to look for something written by an expert that is based on original research. Look inside the book cover. If it's published by a university press, it's likely a scholarly book. In addition, many scholarly books are overseen by editors and are divided into chapters, each with different authors. Another tip-off that the book is probably scholarly. You can find scholarly books by going to the Books and Media tab on the library homepage. If you have questions about what is a scholarly source, talk to your professor, ask a librarian, or go to our guide on scholarly sources. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, Coffin Library is your guide to answers.